Have you ever missed capturing that perfect moment because of poor lighting? It's such a bummer, right? You're in the middle of a shoot and the light is just not cooperating. When I was filming Ida Nilsson at the Western States 100, I needed a light that was small yet effective. So I asked GVM to send me their 60B LED light to test out, and it made all the difference. So this video is sponsored by them. I had high hopes for this light, but at first I thought that the GVM 60B was a bit on the heavy side. But then I realized that it's because it has a built-in battery. It's got its pros and cons. For instance, it needs to go in your cabin luggage when traveling, so plan for that. But honestly, I really like this feature because it saves a lot of setup time. She's killing me. She's also one of the best in the world. Okay, so I'm in Lake Tahoe. Can you see the light? We're testing out the GVM Pocket Light 60B. It's super bright. I'm really amazed by how bright it is. This light, like if I turn it off, let me just... So this light I can control from this app. Here's the app. Freaking cool, because I just turn it off. You see how ridiculous it looks like. And then, yeah, here you got it on. And then you also have like the temperature. You can control all that. I really like this light. It's so small and versatile. You have the battery built in. It amazes me how little it is. It's a bit on the heavy side because it is the battery, but it just makes this so simple. I just put one light up. I have a little tripod now, but I could just as well just add like a super clamp or something, and yeah. And you also have like a handle to it. So this light is super easy to carry and travel with. It's so freaking tiny, but it's very strong. Basically, you have a handle which you can actually just push a button, and then that's how you put it down. And then you have these that you can put on a tripod. But it's so small. Yes, I'm here to shoot a documentary about Ida Nilsson. And at the same time, I'm testing out this gear, trying to just see how much I can, get out of them. And this one, I'm really glad how it is performing so far. Because just on a shot like this, like super simple, but still, like, this is actually a thing you can do, like on a short sync like this. You can just hold it up like this. Yeah, so just check this out. If I'm shooting myself, with. Like, you have the sun on the other side. This is a versatile light. So you can control it through Bluetooth. You just put it in and then like you can dim it, you can change the temperature, and like, yeah, you have a knob here, but I find it to be a bit too slow, so I prefer to use the app. It comes with a handle that you can take off. And you got this that you can take off. So this is basically the light. You got mounting screws all the way around. And then, yeah, you can just put it on. Let me see. This is how bright it is. Kind of like a flashlight. But then as you crank it up, it's gonna be very bright. Is that 100? Yes. So it's quite strong, as you can see. So it's actually quite good to have it a bit heavier on the heavy side, because then the tripod it stands on when you mount it, it will be a bit more sturdy. So really solid aluminum casing, I guess. So it's like a rugged thing. And when you mount the whole handle on top, you can put it like, mount it on a tripod as well. But this is also a little light that could go onto your camera rig if you prefer that. Or you could even boom this thing. Yeah, so yeah, I find that this is a very unique type of light. And I can imagine just having like 2 or 3 of these, 3-point lighting, like just have 3 of these. or whatever you prefer. Let me just dim this down. Too bright. I remember one morning as the race was starting and it was pitch black, but I could easily tweak the brightness and color temperature to match the natural light, and that made everything look seamless and natural in the end. And this was essential to capture the real-life colors on camera. The rechargeable battery is a great asset because I didn't have to worry about running out of power during mid-shoot and no power cords. So a single charge lasted me through most of the day. And plus the handle, it makes it really easy to hold and mount it on a stand if I needed, so it's quick to switch.
Look around at each other and think about this great human race that we have. Experience North Carolina, they are really Craig Thornley.
As you can see, it has a very natural look. Like, this is the the softest. And it doesn't destroy my face. Even at the lowest end, it still gives a lot of backlight. Really flexible. Alright, so I just left morning shooting. I'm running with Ida, shot a little bit of slow-mo as well. And now I'm gonna head back, see if the kids are woken up, have breakfast. And then I'm gonna go back here, do an interview with Abel, the team manager, and then I'll wait for Ida, shoot some more with her. So whether you're filming an event like a race or working on a documentary or shooting for fun, then the GVM 60B is a solid tool. It really helped me capture Ida's incredible journey through the Western States 100, and I'm sure that it can help in your projects too. If you want to know more about the GVM 60B, there's a link in the description that you can check out. It dawned on me that perhaps you should have bear spray in these parts of the world. I gotta check that out. I don't know. Oh, this is pretty.